So, welcome to the first episode of a Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a video that looks a little something like this. Roll the clip. So yeah, I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. It's actually really simple. Some people just think it's harder than it looks. Yeah. Okay, so once you're in Premiere Pro, what you want to do is make a new sequence. So by doing that, you just drag your video of you throwing something into the air, and then once you have that, you can just drag it into there. And once you have your video like this, first thing you want to do is create 1 duplicate, 2 duplicates. And you want to find where I start talking. I can delete the other clips that I don't need because these are the only ones I'm going to be using. And for this one, you want to get a still frame, so lock the other 2 layers to not, or the other 3 to not mess with them. Press V to get your little select tool, so you can press that selection tool. Right click and choose add frame hold, so you realize that this, so you have that. Now what you want to do is go to the frame where your bottle, in my case it's a Gatorade bottle, is in the air, and then lock the layer that you don't want to use. Make sure you're using the layer on top for this. Press C and then click where your little timeline bar is, and then select the object that is behind it, so that, and then you just want to delete it. You don't need it. That rhymed. And then you want to right click on your layer, add frame hold, so that now you can see it's frozen, but the entire thing is frozen and you don't want that. So what you're going to do is go to opacity and then click on the pen thing, the free draw. I'm not even going to try to say that word. Bezier? I don't know. So you're going to want to make a very rough mask around your bottle. Now that you have that, you'll see it already looks kind of real, but you can see the falling bottle under it. You don't want that. So you want to lock that layer and then go into your bottom layer, or your middle layer, and then right as the bottle starts to be visible, you can kind of see it under the mask. You want to create a cut, and then on the one furthest from there, on the one furthest from the timeline, so to the right, you want to go to opacity and then click on the free draw pen tool thing, and then you just want to make a mask around thing. Now it might look bad at first, but all you have to do is click on the inverted item and just click on that, and you should have a pretty good video. Now you can see it fall just at the end because I made it a little bad, so you can just extend it out, and there. Now you can sort of see the mask, like right there. If I zoom in to like 200%, you can see that hard edge. So to fix that, you just want to go into your mask and then choose the mask feather and just feather it a bunch. And make sure if you look at the feather, it doesn't eat into thing. And now that that's gone, there's one last step, and it's the audio, because you can hear the bottle fall. So to fix that, you can zoom in a bunch, find where the bottle falls. So just, and then create a cut, then go to where it does, to where it isn't falling. So about right there, create another cut, delete that, and now I can hear that there's not the background noise. So what I would do is create another cut, and then hold Alt and drag your clip to the left, and just keep on doing that. And there, you have pretty much a seamless video. So be sure to leave a like if this tutorial helped you, and if it really helped you, be sure to subscribe. Thank you and bye.